it's Janine, and you're watching Living Life with a Twist. That's our YouTube channel, and today I had a real hankering for some Caesar salad, but we're going to do it keto style, and it's actually a recipe that I got off rule.me, and I found on Pinterest, and I loved it so much I had to share with y'all. So stay tuned, but if you like this video, please hit thumbs up, like, subscribe, and notifications, and please leave a comment. That's my favorite thing. So y'all be blessed, and stick around. Okay, y'all, here we go. This is going to be a really quick keto Caesar dressing. I got this off of Pinterest. It was called ruled.me keto 5-minute Caesar dressing. So I'm giving you a shout out. Thank you so much for coming up for this recipe. This is incredible. I love this. It is not exact like a Caesar. There is no raw egg, which I also like because just, you know. Okay, so here we go. This is 1.5 teaspoons of anchovy paste. Now I'm using Roland, which is from Spain. You can see it's, you know, we don't use the anchovy paste that much, but we do actually have that in the house. But okay, so that's 1.5 teaspoons, or if you have a 1/2 tablespoon measurement, that's exactly the same. 1.5 teaspoons equals out to a 1/2 tablespoon. Okay, now I'm going to be putting in some cloves of garlic. They call for finely minced, all this stuff. I'm about to put it in my magic bullet. I don't have to worry about that. Here we go. Actually, because this is so large, I'm just doing 1, 2. But if you had tiny little slivers of garlic, you're going to want 3. Okay, next thing, I'm just going to be putting in 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and that's going to be the Worcestershire French's. And that is, as I said, 1 teaspoon. I'll tell you what, the first time I made this recipe, my whole family was like, what? This is so good. So I can't wait until this is done because I'm about to eat it when I'm done. Okay, so now we're going to 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. I really love this OXO, the OXO, whatever they call it, these measurement cups. So this is 2 tablespoons, and this actually is fresh lemon juice, but you could use whatever is in your refrigerator. Next, I'm going to be putting, as I said, 1.5 teaspoons equals out to a 1/2 tablespoon, and I am actually going to be putting in just the private selection French recipe Dijon Mustard from Kroger. So 1.5 teaspoons or a 1/2 tablespoon of that. Okay, next is going to be 3/4 cup of mayonnaise. I know you're probably like, mayonnaise? Yes, mayonnaise. And yes, there's eggs in mayonnaise, but I just mean like you don't have to do the egg thing on the bowl and whip it and everything. I've seen Food Network, as I'm sure a lot of y'all have. Okay, so here we go. This is 3/4 cup of mayonnaise. And if anybody's particularly interested, it's actually Duke's. So that's 3/4 cup. Oh, and just so y'all know, Mom went out and bought herself all of these off measurement cups. So this is 3/4 cup. Isn't that wonderful? So I don't have to measure out a 1/2 cup and a 1/4 cup to equal out. Or make one of my big Pyrex cups, excuse me, whoops, dirty. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put the top on this because I'm putting it on my magic bullet. And then I'm going to give it a taste, and then I'm going to adjust for salt and pepper. So I will be right back. Okay, here we are. I have it done. I'm going to taste test it. Okay, you know what? I'm going to take one of the measurement spoons because I don't want to dip my finger in and taste test it. Okay, Mom, I'm going to use the other measurement spoon for you. See what you think. 1 second for Mom's taste test.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay.
Doesn't need anything else.
It doesn't need any more salt or pepper.
Oh.
No, any salt and pepper, excuse me.
That's right.
The anchovy paste and the Worcestershire sauce is absolutely enough. Okay, so I've had this waiting in the background for a minute. And I know tomatoes aren't a part of a Caesar salad, but I think it looks pretty, and I love tomatoes. So what I'm going to do is just take a spoon, because this makes about a cup of the keto Caesar dressing, and I'm just going to drizzle. This is not it. I have a little bit more that I'm going to be putting on just to dress it up a bit as far as flavor goes. And that's it. That's all I'm going to do. If somebody wants more for whatever, they can have it, but I don't think they will. I'm going to take some of this Tuscan Reserved Blend from Kroger. It is Parmesan and Fontina together. And this is going to be my Parmesan. And it's not a full Parmesan, but it's an excellent cheese. It's a little bit milder than what you would find for a regular Parmesan. But it's excellent. And because I don't care what anybody does, I love pepper. And just a smidge is good enough for most people. Okay, so here we go. This is our 5-minute whatever keto dressing. I think that's what the lady called. We're going to be doing some more of these Pinterest. Do they work? Do they not work? This definitely works. It is so good. And it's something that, well, if you just have something basic like anchovy paste, which we do, because we like to cook a lot of things, it was quick to make up. We had the Dijon, we had the Worcestershire, and you better believe we had the lemon. Okay, y'all, you have a blessed and twisty day, and we'll see you later. And if you love this, please leave a comment. Please hit thumbs up. Please hit subscribe. Please share. And absolutely don't forget about notifications. Okay, y'all, be blessed.